Hey everyone! I'm excited to guide you through some easy fitness tips that can dramatically transform your body. Whether you're just starting out or looking to shake up your routine, these strategies are designed to boost your results and keep you motivated. Let's dive right in. First things first, consistency is key. It doesn't matter if you're lifting weights, running, or doing yoga. Doing it regularly is what leads to progress. Try to set a schedule that fits into your lifestyle and stick to it. Remember, even 20 minutes a day can make a massive difference over time. Next up, let's talk about variety. Your body is incredibly smart and adapts to workouts quickly. To keep your muscles guessing and growing, mix up your exercises. Include a blend of strength training, cardio, and flexibility workouts. This not only prevents plateaus, but also keeps your workouts exciting. Nutrition cannot be overlooked. What you eat fuels your workouts and helps you recover. Focus on a balanced diet rich in proteins, good fats, and carbohydrates. And hydration, non-negotiable. Water supports every metabolic function and nutrient transfer in your body, so make sure you're drinking plenty of it throughout the day. Set realistic goals. Whether it's losing weight, gaining muscle, or improving endurance, set clear, achievable goals. Break them into smaller, measurable tasks so you can see your progress and stay motivated. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small. This boosts your confidence and commitment. Lastly, listen to your body. Rest is just as important as the workout itself. Overtraining can lead to injuries and burnout, so ensure you're getting enough rest and recovery time. This allows your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Incorporate these tips into your fitness routine, and you'll see significant improvements in your body and overall health. Remember, it's not about perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. Stay strong, stay healthy, and let's crush those fitness goals together. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness tips and tricks. See you in the next video.